April 24th. Getting ready to go on the Castle Poker Challenge 2026. So yeah, as you can see, blue sky, thunder's looking clean and ready to go. So first stop, Bodmin, meet Nick and fuel up. About 300 yards out of the house, driving a slow tractor. Alright, 8 o'clock in the morning, we had the fuel stop. Morning Nick. So yeah, got the two bikes here. So it's about, what, hour and 20. So we're off to Jolly's from here, we're in Bodmin, off to Jolly's, hour and 20, go see Chris and get some breakfast. Today, so it's still a bit brisk, 54 degrees, and another set of traffic lights. pulling into the road where Jolly Bike Shop is. Our breakfast stop. Love coming here. It's a brilliant place. Do a little bit of filming.
Rolling out of Cornwall, heading up to Wales. Thunder on the open road, nothing ever fails. Every town we travel through, every winding lane.
Yeah. Full breakfast. What you got?
Every single time.
Bacon and egg. Bacon and egg. Oh, I've got full breakfast. Full. Did say no tomato. Should we go in front of the bike as well?
Yeah, go ahead.
So is this common knowledge, or you want me to hold these for a bit?
How's that look? Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Film it as well.
Thank you very much. That's pleasure, that's right. That's our new club shirt, 2000.
You look a happy chappy.
You got one of these, Stu?
What's that?
Have you got one of these?
Oh,
This is, I'll get you this one. This is a Indian t-shirt, but the foundry have done Canterbury, with Canterbury Cathedral.
I will be honest, and so I have. He probably hasn't.
You ever got one? I haven't got one.
There you go.
Morning light on chrome and steel, cold air cuts but it feels real. Engine hum, a steady sound, leaving weight I carried in the ground. Rolling past the fields of green, everything sharper than it's been. Every mile pulls something loose from the truths I've been holding on to. I've been boxed in by walls and time, every sign says stay in line. But the horizon calls my name and I don't fight it, not today. Where the road opens wide and the sky comes alive.
Yeah, quick stop, Jolly's. Have a quick walk through. Haven't got time to go through it fully. I have got other videos where I spend a little bit more time down here, but this will give you a little bit of an overview. And then from here we're off to Baffle House in Pontypool. About a 2-hour ride to meet up with some others.
I don't think you can do it in one go. I mean, we would. Yeah, brilliant.
So in the back end, there's dinosaurs going out today, there's pirates going out today, there's all sorts. And then we just...
So you do it all from this side?
the navy cookies.
That's my favourite.
You can't ride that.
I said it's sure.
How do you get around the corners?
Was it the IMRG?
Yeah, the National Rally. Get that down there in the custom show.
Yeah, definitely.
That's amazing.
Chris is going to let me ride it one day.
Oh, you really
You can let me ride it that day if I'm not in the bike week.
I'll bring them around here. That's actually the...
Yeah, the world feels right when the road opens wide. Rain comes down, drums on steel, still rolling, still I feel every scar, every mile, every low made this worthwhile. Brother riding by my side, different roads, same inside. No words needed, just a ride. Two lines cut between gears. I remember why I'm here. Where the road